Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and on today's video we'll take a look at some more really cheap fans. These have come in from AliExpress. These are basically a kind of rebrand of some of the other ones we've seen already on the channel, so it's not going to be anything too new and exciting, but I thought these were a pretty good price, so I figured it'd be worth taking a look, and I'm taking you lot along for the ride as well. This is the UpSiren UF-2, the Prism 5 Pro. Now if you search AliExpress for Prism 5 Pro, there's probably about 6 or 7 different brands which all do the same thing and all with very similar prices. But UpSiren seems to be one of those brands which do a little bit more as well. So they do these fans, they do some controllers, all kinds of cooling devices, etc., thermal pads, that kind of stuff. So it looks like one of those brands which might be around for a little while. So I figured it'd be worth taking a look and see if there's any main differences or characteristics which differ this from the other Prism 5s that we've seen previously. And to be fair, there isn't really a great deal, although these, for some reason, do seem to be considerably quieter than the ones I've had previously. No nasty knocks or whines or rattles from the actual motor and bearings, so that's always a nice thing. And best of all, they are generally at a very good price. Currently, at the moment, at the time of recording, which is February 2025, when I bought these are actually retailing individually for just under £4 each, or you can get a set of 5 for somewhere around the £18 or £19 mark. Depending where you are, you may have to pay taxes and shipping and that kind of stuff, but generally you should be paying somewhere around about £21 for the whole lot, including taxes, which I think for 5 fans, which are a pretty decent quality, is pretty good value for money when you take into consideration there are other fans on the market, and I'm not picking these out for any particular reason other than I had them on the shelf. But fans like these, you're looking at somewhere in the region of about 30, 40, maybe even £50 for just a set of 3 or a set of 2 in some instances. So potentially you can save yourself an absolute ton of money. Now clearly they're not going to be the same performance as this type of fan or the kind of that more expensive fans. But if you don't need expensive fans, you just want something which is going to move a little bit of air and is going to look nice in your rig, especially if you're someone who flips PCs and you just want to add a little bit of bling to your build, then I think these are definitely well worth a look. Now in terms of specifications, nothing to really write home about on this. It does say on the box these have an RPM between 800 and 1600 RPM. I've found in testing they get down to around about 600, but regardless, anywhere underneath around about 12 to 1300 RPM, they are absolutely silent, and I mean really, really quiet. They are actually not moving a great deal of air. The maximum airflow is somewhere in the region of about 45 CFM, and using my anemometer, actually the wind or the air coming out of it was somewhere around about 4 miles an hour at the highest thing. So yeah, it's not going to be like a cyclone in your PC, but again, if you want it to be nice and quiet and just move a reasonable amount of air, these are pretty well worth a look. In terms of sizing, so if you're just looking for a 120mm fan, these are fine. So 120 by 120 by 25mm, so very standard. And also you have rubber dampeners in all 4 corners, both front and rear. And actually from the rear, they also look quite nice as well. It's all done in this quite nice white aesthetic. Now there's 4 variations of this available. There is the white fan with the standard blade, normal orientation, or there's also a reverse blade as well. So if you're using one of those kind of fish tank cases, or you've got side mounted stuff, you can have reverse blades as well, basically the same price. And also they do the same in black as well, so both forward and reverse. So yeah, pretty much something for everyone. When it comes to connectivity, it's basically the same deal as you'd expect. So you've got the 4-pin PWM and also the pass-through as well. So daisy chaining is possible, and the same applies for the RGB. So standard 3-pin 5-volt addressable RGB, and also the male end as well. So if you want to daisy chain those, you can do also. What I think actually sets these apart from some of the other fans on the market, and the Prism 5 range does this, actually all of the Prism range are pretty good in this, is the actual lighting effects. So you have got the infinity mirror effect, so that's really nice, and also you've got an outline around the outside edges. The blades themselves, not illuminated, so those are solid, but also they've actually put in a nice kind of metallic looking disc in the middle, which is actually well centralized, so they do actually look quite premium. And if you've ever seen some of the early Lian fans, you'll know exactly where they got the design ideas from. Also comes down to the RGB on the front there, where you've got that kind of indentation around the outside edges. So overall, I think they look really nice. They're very cheap. They actually move a reasonable amount of air. They're not going to, again, they're not going to create a cyclone inside your PC, but for keeping modern components relatively cool, and if you're having plenty of them, then obviously it's going to move a considerable amount of air. I would strongly recommend against using these for your CPU fan cooler, unless you've got a very low TDP processor or you just undervolt it or something, because again, they don't move a massive amount of air. They haven't got the greatest static pressure, so for radiators and for CPU coolers, I'd probably advise against them, but certainly for just airflow case fans, I think these are absolutely fine, and at this price, it's hard to grumble. So I think that is pretty much it for the UpSiren UF2, or the Prism 5 Pro as otherwise known. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you have, smash the like button. If you want to see more content of this on a daily basis, maybe consider hitting subscribe and the chime notification. That way you'll be notified of future video releases. But for now, I've been Mike. This is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and hopefully we'll catch you in the very next video. Thanks for watching.